Time for Mr. Truck, reviewing the latest innovations for your truck and trailer.
Now let's see what's inside my truck. Yes, I moved to the sandy country and now I've got sand everywhere. Used to have mud everywhere this time of the year. Well, now I've got this sand. And my carpet that came with the truck doesn't do much. It just, part of it stays there and part of it goes everywhere. Floor mats. I need floor mats that will hold my sand in and mud and everything else and not just kind of splattered everywhere, because this is really a mess. Mr. Truck here, trying to get all my accessories on my truck. My new truck, it's about a year old now. And I showed you what the sand looked like on the carpet mats. And it was not good. It was going to rub into there and wear those carpet up pretty good. The carpet underneath the little mats and the carpet mats themselves. So I got all these companies. It's a website in the description. But they're nice, thick rubber, molded rubber to fit all the curves of my truck. So this is going to be interesting. I'm going to put all this in there, and then I'm going to see how much sand I can drop in here. But it's got these sides on it, and grooves and everything, so the sand should stay on the mat and not just flow over that flat carpet that I had before. This is what you need. You need something that's got molded edges to hold a bunch of mud and a bunch of sand. So we'll just see how much I can get in here. Putting these in the front, and then it's got one giant piece that goes in the back. So that's what I'm doing right now. This is pretty cool. This is these all-weather rubber mats. Look at how it fits in there. It fits way up under your pedals, so it covers a whole bunch of carpet. The other one, the factory one, didn't cover much. But see, this is all tapered on the backside and goes up. Matches the upslope of your seat brace. And all the way over there, and then over here. So you got several places to hold the sand and the mud. And they're nice heavy floor mats, and this covers basically everything. And this is the driver's side. They did a real good job of making this fit. Look how tight that fits right around the corner, right by where you pull your hood opening. All that stuff is molded just for this truck. And I like that. I need to scrub some more of the carpet, but I want to get these in so they're doing some good. So this is cool. This is the driver's side front. And I even got the little pockets that come with the factory one. You just slip these on and slide them sideways, and that holds this down to the floor. And here is the passenger side. Look how far up it goes, and it raises right up where the hump is before the seat and seals right up. That's going to be really good. See if I can't use that to hold my sand and mud inside the truck, then I can just dump them out and hose them off. Okay, I just vacuumed out the back floor. Nice flat floor these Fords have. This big cab on the crew cab. And now I'm going to put my big one-piece mat in there. So now to finish the project, this rubber all-weather floor protector. Good gosh, it's big. It's big. I got to fold it down on the back floor now. Now look at that. That's my back seat. And this all-weather rubber mat fits all the way in there, clear up against the little compartment and the inverter. Look at that. Fits clear up underneath the seats. Wow. Fits the contour of the center console. Nice heavy rubber mat. And that'd be easy to clean out. The other one just had two little carpet mats. Left all that section in the middle. Wow, I can haul hay in here now. Dog food, grandkids, big screen TVs. That is just such a cool mat back there. Mr. Truck here with another trailer accessory review. This time it's about trailer tires. Trailer tires are the bane of my existence. In the last 2 years I had 5 trailer tire blowouts. Each time it happens, it tears up a fender, cracks my clearance lights, demolishes my license plate. Trailer tires are so close together they throw nails at each other. And if you've trailered much, you know that trailer tires are not the best made. There's only a handful that are any good. And they're not as good as truck tires. So, I wanted a way to monitor my air pressure and my heat on my trailer tires. So I know when something's about to happen. Before it happens, it costs me a pile of money. Now you can know what you can't see. Real-time tire pressure and temperature. There's a low battery alarm, a high pressure alarm, a low pressure alarm, high heat alarm. So I wanted one that would go inside the tire like they do on my truck. And you know, I've tried those kind that just screw on your valve stem. They're about the size of golf balls. And of course, if you got a horse tied to the trailer, he'll paw it off or chew it off. And those are like 50 bucks a piece, so they're, you know, they're easy to get stolen too. Everything I was looking for was in this unit. The tire pressure unit's inside the tire, out of the way. Just one repeater on the trailer to amplify the wireless signal to the truck, and just a wireless receiver monitor in the truck.